Hey, what's up, Digibyte holders? So, Digibyte holder, kindly watch this video and be safe from the lost. If you watch this video, I hope, my friend, I give you guarantee to you never lost and you take a very good profit. Yes, absolutely, you make a millionaire. They will make you millionaire. So, let's start this brand video. Kindly, before I get started video, request you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, everyone. Digibyte holder. This time, I gonna show you the last 24-hour chart, and this chart is completely gonna show you today are moving upward. Absolutely, you can see here the total circulation, the total percentage is going to be negative, but at the end you can see, my brother, they wake up. So you can see, my brother, after a short fail, you can see here they take a jump. You can see here they moving and this circulation. After a jump, they fails down. You can see here they completely and this circulation. So at the end of month, you can see, my brother, the end arrows, my friend, is going to show you to they will moving upward. The all crypto market is wake up after a very long time and they completely go in the moon. Digibyte holder, as you can see here, at the end arrow is going to show you today moving upward. Let's check out the last 1 hour to my prediction. My technical analysis is going to be right or not, but absolutely, my brother, before I gonna show you the latest update, please subscribe on YouTube channel for more this stuff informative videos. Yeah, the last 1 hour chart is completely showing, my brother, today go in the moon. They go in the moon. You can see here, my brother, plus 2.08% just in only in the last 1 hour. They moving upward. Absolutely, my last arrows, if you remember my last 24-hour chart, my friend, my technical analysis, exactly at the end arrows, my friend, is moving upward. So definitely this is the arrow, my friend. You can see here today moving upward. I hope in upcoming times they will moving upward more and more, because at the end of month every cryptocurrency is moving upward. So you need to you hold and wait for the end of month. I hope, my brother, at the end of month they will give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification.